All right, welcome back to Backyard Adventures with Andy. I'm Andy. We're going to be talking about how to transplant a rose of Sharon. So this is a second video. There's another one on the channel about how to prune a rose of Sharon, so be sure to check that out if that would be helpful for you. But as far as this one, I'm going to show you through a time lapse basically how I dig this thing out, move it over, get it set, and then if I need to do any kind of adjustment pruning to kind of get it ready to go. But one key thing you want to do when transplanting this is you want to transplant during the dormant season, so winter time. I'm up in the Northwest. It's end of January, early February. Great time to transplant and do a lot of the pruning and things like that. So that's why I'm doing this thing now, so it'll be ready to go for this upcoming spring and summer growing season. So check this out. Hopefully it's useful. If you have questions, put those in the comments. I'll get back to you. If you like what you see, hit the like button or subscribe. And here we go. As you can see, we have the Rose of Sharon. Sharon, Mary, where'd that come from? I don't know. We have the Rose of Sharon moved on over, and it's in the right spot. I've got this generally how I want it. A couple things I need to do to wrap up the transplanting. First thing is I need to go get my watering bucket. I'm gonna probably put, I don't know, 2 bucket loads of water over this thing and drench it. So let me go do that. All right, for this last step, I want to go through and just do a little bit of finished pruning. You can see here the branches are, from where I wanted it placed, the branches are starting to creep into the stairs. So I want to prune that back and just kind of keep this thing shaped where the stairs is the limit of how far it grows over. And with that, this Rose of Sharon is transplanted. We've done the watering, we did the finished pruning. One note on the pruning, there were a few broken branches I noticed when I was kind of wrapping things up, probably from when I moved things over, so I cut those back. But she is ready, yeah, Rose of Sharon, she is ready to grow. It is ready to grow, I don't know. It's ready to grow, and I think it'll be in good shape for this next growing season. Check back later for some follow-up. Maybe we'll have some pictures or video to show you kind of how this thing looks before and after. But I think it's going to work out real well. Hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos like this. Give me any comments, questions down below. And thank you for tuning in. Have a wonderful, wonderful time in your backyard, your yard, or wherever it is you grow things. Take care.